This 2025 Dutchmen Voltage V Series 3850 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchmen is 42 feet 10 inches in length and features a platinum interior, sleep 7, microwave, auxiliary battery, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, LP detector, TV, smoke detector, slide-out, oven, and 94 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, patio deck. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Dutchmen Voltage V Series 3850 is 14,115 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.